The Sistine Chapel ceiling, painted by Michelangelo, is considered as a cornerstone work of high Renaissance art, and those paintings done in the 16th century are still considered as a textbook for many art enthusiasts. This shows how important mural paintings are. And our topic for today's discussion is mural paintings. I'm Akhil Rajaratnam and you're with THiNC Institute of Design. First, let's have a look at the definition of murals. A mural is any piece of artwork painted or applied directly on a wall, ceiling, or other permanent surface. So, the works on the walls or solid surface are referred to as murals. Murals have existed in India since ancient times and can be dated between 2nd century BC and 10th century AD. The evidence of such paintings can be found at several locations in India like Ajanta, Armamalai Cave, Ravanshire Rock Shelter, Bagh Caves, Sittanawasan Cave and Qriosity Temple in Ellora. All the ancient mural paintings follow a theme, and most common theme among them are Hindu, Buddhist and Jain. Now let's find out the unique features of these paintings. The mural paintings are unique because of their sheer size. They cannot be contained on a paper and need to be executed on the walls of large structures, usually caves and temple walls. One of the oldest surviving murals of Indian subcontinent is Ajanta caves, which were carved in the 4th century AD out of volcanic rocks. It consists of a set of 29 caves carved in horseshoe shape. The caves are quite popular for their exquisite mural paintings that took around 4 to 5 centuries to complete, mainly under the reign of Mauryan, Sungan and Gupta empires. The paintings in Ajanta portray human values and social fabric, along with the styles, costumes, and ornaments of that period. The emotions are expressed through hand gestures. The unique feature of these paintings is that each female figure has a unique hairstyle. Even animals and birds are shown with emotions. The most common themes of these paintings range from Jataka stories to the life of Buddha to elaborate decorative patterns of flora and fauna. Graceful poses of humans and animals adorn the walls of these caves. The medium of painting was vegetable and mineral rice. The outline of the figure is red ochre with contours of brown, black and deep red. The murals use both fresco and tempera style. Fresco painting involves a 3-step technique. First of all, a layer of clay is applied on a permanent surface. After that, a coating of the lime plaster is applied on the top of it, and colors and pigments were then applied on the moist surface. This allowed the pigments to seep in and creating a lasting image on the rock surface. And tempera technique involves the use of permanent, fast-drying painting medium consisting of colored pigments mixed with a water-soluble binder medium, usually a glutinous material like egg yolk. The most famous and popular paintings in Ajanta caves are Bodhisattva Padmapani from Cave 1, the Dying Princess in Cave 16, the scene of Shibi Jataka, the scene of Matriposha Jataka. Like Ajanta, another important center of mural painting is Ellora in Aurangabad. The mural paintings in Ellora caves are found in 5 caves but are mostly limited to Qriosity Temple. Here the paintings are related to all 3 religions, Buddhism, Jainism and Hinduism. The first phase were done during the carving of the caves, while the second phase were done during several centuries later. Some prominent Ellora cave paintings are images of Goddess Lakshmi and God Vishnu, images of Lord Shiva with his followers, image of the beautiful and gracious Apsara. Another important cave painting is from Bagh Caves. Bagh Caves in Madhya Pradesh represent an extension to the Ajanta school and are close to the actual Ajanta caves in terms of their design, execution and decoration. However, you can see some difference from the Ajanta caves, like the figures are more tightly molded, have stronger outline and are more earthly and human. These paintings depict religious themes in the light of contemporary lifestyle of people. Thus, they are more secular in nature. Moving on to the southern part of India, the famous mural paintings can be found at Armamalai Cave. They are situated in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu, and these natural caves were converted into Jain temple in 8th century. The beautiful, colorful paintings on the walls and roof depict the tales of Ashtadikpalakas and Jainism. Another mural painting to note from the Southeastern, Sittanawasan Cave. It is situated near the Pudukkottai town in Tamil Nadu and is famous for the paintings in Jain temples. These murals also have close resemblance to Bagh and Ajanta cave paintings. The paintings are not only on the walls but on the ceiling and pillars. The medium used for painting is vegetable and mineral dyes and is done by putting colors on the surface of thin wet lime plaster. The common colors include yellow, green, orange, blue, black and white. The central element of these paintings in Sittanawasan are lotuses. Here we are providing a model question for you to practice. You can comment the answers in the comment box below. So I hope you have got an idea about the mural paintings. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, bye from THiNC Institute of Design.